guys, ito na.
Ayan. Anong school po kayo? Anong school? High school. Okay. Okay. So, ilagay niyo po yung inyong mga table motif. Yung mga bata na nandito sa gilid ha, baka mamaya mapagkama lang kayong table motif at saka wall decor, maisabit kayo sa munisipyo. Okay, our next consolation prize is entry number 6. Entry number 6. Ayan. Anong school? Number 6. Anong school? Regional Science High School.
I think so.
Okay, our next consolation prize.
Ito na.
We have entry number 5. Number 5. Anong school yan? Number 5. Secondary level, table motif. Number 5, anong school? Which school? Gordon Heights. Gordon Heights High School. Okay, our next consolation.
Ito na. Isa pa.
Number 23.
Oh my God. Ay, tayo yun. Bumagsak na. What did you do? 23. RS! Regional Science High School! Regional Science High School!
Regional ba? Regional?
Opo!
Okay, just graduate si Sir Marlon Bravo. Founded 1994. The first batch. And now, let's have our last consolation prize is entry number 27. Number 27! Tama now!
Kayo, Mary Joy. Kayo,
Ba't tawag matabagal yatang tumakbo yung mga high school? Yung mga elementary, mapipili. Pati table tala. Ayun naman pala. Table motive kasi kaya pati lamesa.
kayo na lang.
Lamesa ang iyari sa bakal.
Kayo. Huwag yung taktakan.
Okay, table motive number 27. Anong school po yan? Anong school?
Excuse me.
Regional Science High School. Okay. Okay, and now let's have our third prize for our table motive secondary level. We have entry number 13. Number 13. 1-3. Ayan. Anong school kaya ako? Ayan na, nilalakad na po. Bilis lang po ng konti. Bilis-bilis po. Anong school po yan? Gordon Heights National High School. Okay, akit po dito yung ating principal to gain your trophy and your prize. Ma'am Moncada. Madam Moncada, are you still around? Ayun si Madam. Third prize. Lalagay po ng label ni Architect Luz. Okay, and now for our second prize. We have entry number 1. Second prize, number 1. Anak. Anong school mo, kuya? Gordon Heights pa rin. Gordon Heights National High School pa rin. Okay. Okay. With Madam Moncada. Okay, and now for our first prize in table motive secondary level, we have entry number 7! Entry number 7, our champion for table motive secondary level. si Sir Bravo.
Way back 1998. Okay! At sa hinabahabang ng prosesyon, makakarating na tayo sa dulo, sir. Ayan, salamat naman po.
Bago mag-alas 6, tapos tayo.
Okay, para naman po sa Christmas tree secondary level.
Akit na po kayo dito para makuha po yung prize, yung trophy. Akit po dito.
Our first